almost all custom functions added through plugins. Okay, we got that. Plugin module headers, custom directory and text file, native plugin initialization. All right, so that's cool. Let me take a look at this plugin template as well. Let's take a look. All right, so the plugin template is meant to be used as a starting point for OBS plugin development. It includes boilerplate plugin. Ah, okay. So we could getting started. Let's do. All right. We are gonna do thinking. What is the best? All right. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna copy this URL, and I'm gonna say ask. There is a OBS plugin located in GitHub story. What is the best way to of this that our let's try that. Let me see. You provide a link to the GitHub. There's a much better approach in trying to manually configure the build system. The best way to use the content of the repo is clone the repository. Okay, and then copy the template files into the OBS plugin. Okay. Analyze. All right. So here's analyze that. Research OBS plugin development. Create the C++ plugin. Okay. I'll start by cloning the OBS plugin template repository. I'll clone it into a new directory called OBS plugin template. All right, that's cool. If it added it to maybe maybe put it somewhere. Says I need to switch back. Kilo wants to switch. Okay. So I don't know. All right. Okay. Run the command to clone. Let's see what's going here. I don't know where they cloned it. All right. So now let me see. We have based on the template structure hasn't been cloned. All right. I don't know where it cloned it though. And now I need to copy the necessary files based on the template structure. The files needed are this one. Oh, okay. I think I got it. Let's see. I'll execute. Okay, we got that to move them over. I have to list the files. Okay. Okay, now I can copy them over. All right, let's do the copy. Okay, there goes the plugin template that was added. Now it's copying over into the YouTube plugin. I have the content of the YouTube plugin. I need to add a function to extract the video ID. Create a new OBS source that allows the user to input a URL. Update the browser source with the extracted video ID. Okay, the function uses a regular expression to extract the video ID from the YouTube URL. It handles YouTube. Okay, nice. I like the fact that it's able to handle both of those. I need to create a new OBS source that allows the user to input a YouTube URL. This will involve creating a new C++ class that inherits from the OBS source class. Since this is a more complex task, I will provide a basic structure for the OBS class. You will need to fill in the details based on your specific needs. I don't know that. Maybe I shouldn't have lied about my knowledge level of C++.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Let's see. All right, so where are you asking me to put something in? So I guess I was talking to itself because I didn't do anything. All right, so I have added the code to extract the video created from the basic structure of the OBS. Added the code to register the source. Now I need to apply these changes to the OBS YouTube plugin. Okay, apply-diff failed because the content of the file has changed. All right, I got that. Okay, I have the latest content. All right, I need to apply these changes. Okay. Apply-diff failed again. Seems like I'm having trouble applying this. Okay. Now add the YouTube data source. Okay, I'll add this. I'll add that. Now I'll move OBS module unload to the end of the file. I apologize for the repeated errors. I'll be more careful. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll move. All right. Let's see. I apologize for the formatting errors. I'll be more careful. Edit unsuccessful. Now move. All right. I'm really struggling with the apply-diff tool. I will try a different approach. I will use the write to file tool to completely replace the content of the file. Okay, I've written. Now I can try building the plugin again. All right, let's try to build it. Let's see. Okay, the build failed. It seems like the CMake file from previous template relies on some custom CMake modules that are not available in the current environment. I need to examine the CMake. Okay. The OBS is empty. That is unexpected. I need to examine the CMakeList to see where the files are actually located. OBS plugin temp. I need to copy the config from, okay. First, I need to list the files. I'm very sorry. It seems like I'm having a lot of trouble with this task. The OBS plugin is direct. Okay, it is struggling. Let's see. Okay, I need to remove this. Okay, let's see. Now I need to copy. I'll try to list. Okay, maybe I missed them before. Okay, I see the CMake directory now. I will list. It's still, it's still empty. Oh my god, this is too funny. This is very strange. I will try. Okay, all right, I got you. Okay, I finally found the file. Don't they have a? Let me see if they have a Mac. Maybe you should copy it from the Mac instead. All right, there we go. Since I'm targeting macOS, I should. Okay, there you go. Oh, smart little cookie over there. All right, so let's do it. I'm telling you, the AI was struggling. It might be a vibe for us, but it was not a vibe for the AI right there. It was like, I I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Bruh.
Building OBS Studio on macOS requires Xcode generator. Huh. Hopefully this is mess. I hope by me pressing the. All right. So I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna press this button. I hope it doesn't just explode my entire OBS and now the whole live stream goes kapoops and we're done. Hopefully that doesn't. I hope that doesn't happen. But I like to live life on. I like to live life on the wild side. All right. I like to live life on the wild side. So I'm gonna click the button here. But if it ends the live stream, just know that I appreciate you guys for being here and that it's been real and that I blame this all going down this rabbit hole and the potential end of this live stream on the one, the only beloved. I just pressed the button. And nothing happened. All right, cool. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here. Xcode does not match the generator used previously. Okay, so we're gonna clear this stuff out. Hopefully this doesn't wipe out the entire computer. AI ruined my computer. All right, ready? Let's go to here. Something is happening. Something is happening. Aww. All right. Oh, you know what? Let me see if I can find I need to get this particular sound effect back in my life right here. I need the sound effect. There we go. That's the one I want. That's the one I want. All right. Let's go to could not open editor. Let's see what happens. So it started doing something, but then it couldn't find the prefix of lib obs to make or okay. So now the build failed again. It seems like this stuff. Okay, the search files did not find that include. And these includes, okay. Try it again. Not going too well for us. So we are struggling. Okay. The defaults include Xcode. I need to prevent these includes. I did not. So Xcode does a lot of stuff on the Mac. It's still struggling. The build failed again. It seems like I'm having trouble with the find package. I need to manually specify the include directories. Based on the structure, it looks like the directory should be this. The library directory should be that. Try that again. The incorrect number of arguments. The helpers file defines something. I can try to build a plugin against the Xcode generator. It is not going well at all. It seems like I'm having trouble with something. I see the problem. The set targets function is being called while properties keyword, but okay. Try that again. Oof. Struggle streaming already. All right. I am still encountering the same errors being called. Okay. I mean, are you just gonna keep doing the same thing over and over again? What changes are you making? I mean, next I'm about to tell it that stop that. Maybe I just see. I would keep trying until it gets. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Let's see. Ooh, manage command. Let's allow this one. So I can like at least get that far. Doing it over and over and over again. Let's see. No source is given to target. Okay. Well, give it those two permissions. It is trying because it's having trouble. Ooh, this got further actually. The following build command. Run script, generate something. It's getting further. It's getting further. The build failed. It seems like the OBS module file is still not being found. I need to re-examine. CMake. What? Oh, we got a 500 error. Let's retry. Okay, there we go. Let's see here. I'm still having trouble building the plugin. Could you please provide the correct build failed. It seems like the OBS dash module is still not being. I'm really struggling with this task. I've tried many different approaches, but I need to ask the user for help. I'll ask this to provide the correct include directories for OBS. So I am going. Now we're going to go over to Gemini. And I'm going to say, I'm trying to build an OBS, but I'm going to do it like this.
Lunch break, lunch break.
I'm just going to copy that. The build failed again. Let's see. I'm going to change that back to let's see what this was supposed to be fixed. Well, whatever. Let's see what this one says. Sounds like you're running into a very common problem when setting build environment or issues that your compiler can't locate header. You're absolutely right to focus on the directories. I know where the OBS, so I can properly adjust the build configuration. Could you please tell me the full path to the directory where you have placed header file folder containing OBS? This on a where would I this thing was working. All right, it's a great clarification. The path structure for OBS on Windows, your plugin name. So if you start with the official OBS plugin template, rebuilt, download the pre-built macOS dependency, will likely be plugin name OS X or macOS. In this case, the main reference to directory. If you built OBS Studio from source, which I did not do, regardless of the specific path, you're looking for a folder that contains headers, a specific path of the. So it would be something like you're looking for. You need to find. You need the path to the directory containing the OBS folder. Path. Can you use the full path? So before we wrap it up for tonight, let's see if we can. So what command would I use terminal? He would say fine.
What's this? Oh, it's only money.
What? Stop the show. Stop the show. Shout out to my guy, David Yeti. I think David Yeti's telling me to wrap up the show because if we are in overtime and he just sent me a super chat, he's like, all right. Let's get back to it. Let's get back. So hard. It is so hard for me. All right, let me see if I can find this real quick. If not, then we're gonna wrap it. Let me try this really quick, and then we'll go here. Find here terminal. Let's see. It's searching for. All right, well, let's leave it at that then. We will leave it at that, and we will pick this up next week. Hopefully next week we can find the file that it's looking for, but I think we're making a lot of progress. We're getting closer and closer there. We're getting closer and closer to it. I'm excited. I'm really excited about this. Like I said, never really did anything in C++, but through the help of AI, we can any.
Yeah. Tired of the same results. Tired of looking at the scoreboard and always being on the wrong side. Something's gotta change. It starts now. Yeah. Woke up, tasted ash in my mouth, same four walls, staring at a life heading south. Bank account's a joke, looking like a typo. Stuck in the loop, a vicious psycho. Taking L's like they were complimentary. My whole existence felt elementary. Stuck in first gear, spinning wheels in the mud. Drowning my potential in a half-hearted flood.
Same excuses, different day. Promised I would change, then I look away. But the pain is staying just the same. Got heavier than the guilt, hotter than the flame.
Something snapped, a switch got flipped. Tore up the old plans, yeah, the whole damn script. Looked at rock bottom, said I ain't coming back. Time to build a new road, time to get on track.
I was done with the losing, done with the pain. Done with standing still in the pouring rain. Now it's focus, discipline, a brand new vision. Wrote a new life, made a new decision. No more looking back, the old me is dead. It's all about the hustle, all the steps ahead from the ground up. Watch the new man rise, yeah, I'm building my win right before their eyes.
The alarm clock rings, it's 5 a.m. Old me hit snooze, but I ain't him. Lace up the sneakers, pavements, my new priest. While the rest of the city still sleeping on the beach. Turning notifications off on the phone. Can't build an empire if you're never alone. Got my mind right, tunnel visions engaged. Felt like I was locked up, now I'm breaking the cage.
It's the small habits, stacking them tall. Reading to new pages before I even ball. Every rep in the gym, every dollar I save is another tombstone on my old self's grave. They say, man, you changed, you ain't the same. You're damn right I'm not, I just rewrote the game. Focused on the mission, cut the static noise. Traded short-term fun for the long-term joy. I was done with the losing, done with the pain. Done with standing still in the pouring rain. Now it's focus, discipline, a brand new vision. Wrote a new life, made a new decision. No more looking back, the old me is dead. It's all about the hustle, all the steps ahead from the ground up. Watch the new man rises, yeah, I'm building my win right before their eyes.
And now the wins, man, are starting to stack. That opportunity I missed, I just got it back. The projects I quit, now the ship is live. The ideas in my head, now they're set to thrive. My whole circle's different, check the new crew. It's mentors and builders, people seeing it through. This ain't luck, this is crafted, this is by design. This is sweat equity, making what is mine.
The mirror looks different, see the fire in the gaze. No more fog, no more walking in the blurry days. Shit is chapter 2, the resurrection's begun. The old me lost the battle, but the new me won. This ain't just a phase, man, this is life change. Rearranged my whole world, stepped up to a new stage. Yeah, from zero to hero.